grows quickly every year, making many people wonder if automation could replace most human jobs globally. Throughout history, technology replaced tasks while creating new roles we could not imagine beforehand. AI rapidly performs repetitive digital work, analyzing massive data sets faster and more reliably than humans. Jobs focused on predictable actions such as scheduling, support messaging, and data entry become increasingly automated. Human creativity and empathy remain difficult for artificial intelligence to fully copy or understand completely. Hands-on trades needing flexible decisions and physical awareness keep relying heavily on human skill and experience. AI helps doctors and teachers, but people still depend on real connection, guidance, and emotional support. AI sparks fresh industries like automation strategy, synthetic data creation, safety auditing, and digital ethics leadership. AI typically automates individual tasks within jobs, rather than directly removing entire professional careers completely. Workers using AI become far more productive, gaining advantages over those avoiding digital transformation entirely. Certain repetitive jobs disappear as automation becomes cheaper, faster, and constantly available without breaks or human limitations. New industries emerge and human creativity, judgment, and empathy remain crucial strengths artificial intelligence cannot fully replace. Those embracing intelligent tools advance quickly, while avoiding technology risks falling behind in rapidly evolving job landscapes. So the real question is, will AI replace most jobs? AI probably won't take your job, but someone skilled with AI very possibly could someday. Adapt now.